Yeah, please tell me about yourself.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Shaurya Gupta. I come from the towns of Uttarakhand near Malora. I did my schooling and my graduation from there. I am a Bachelor of Computer Application, and I did certain certifications in during my graduation days. In my final year, I did my internship in digital marketing. It was during that time I generated interest for management studies, and I gave my CAT where I secured 82 percentile, and I gave my CMAT as well. So I got into my current college, UBS. That's in Karjat. So in here in Karjat, sir, in UBS, I did some live projects and my internship in services company named Zilog. It's Delhi based. So I was a sales intern there. I was selling
Mm,
insurance product for Bank of Baroda, India First Life Insurance. So
mhm.
where I sold the policies worth 3 lakhs in 3 weeks, sir. So that's
Good.
about my intern. Um,
So that means now you are doing MBA in marketing, correct?
yes.
Yeah. So what are the qualities required for becoming a successful marketing person?
So a marketing person should always be open to learn, and he should know about his customer or the product he is selling. He should be empathetic to his customer, know about the market scenarios, study his competitors, and also willing to walk an extra mile to gain sales or achieve success.
Mhm. Good. So what is the product I gave you for selling last time?
So you said me a mineral water bottle.
Yeah. Now this time I request you to take any product of Federal Bank, loan product of Federal Bank, and try to market the same. Supposing
Okay,
you are going to market housing loan, you know how to market housing loan?
okay, sir. I shall try.
Hmm.
Okay. So thank you for coming to the Federal Bank. So here's the form. I request you to fill the form. So meanwhile, I'll ask you some important questions. Have you availed any other loan from other banks? If
This,
not,
thi- this, this is going to be known from the form itself. In the form, you will ask me about the loan I have availed and all. So here you should avail this opportunity to tell the salient features of the housing loan scheme so that you can inform the interviewer that you have gone through the website to know about the product. Okay. And uh, try to market it, telling that you will be offering some concession towards processing charges and all that, and you will process it quickly, something like that. So you should try to tell it that way. Have you gone through Federal Bank website to know
yes,
about its housing
yes, sir.
loan features? What are the features?
Sir, it offers interest rate of 8.8% on housing loan, and on the basis of the civil score, it will avail the amount of housing loan. Say it's 50, you want a loan for 50 lakhs.
Mm,
So based on your civil score, they will avail. And the
mm,
banks is responsible for transferring, disbursing the whole amount.
mm. Bully. Mm,
So I'll ask whether you are able to pay
mm,
the pre booking charges for the
mm.
property. If not, we can avail that also. So
Yeah.
we'll require certain collateral for that. And after you have submitted the initial amount, the
Uh,
monthly EMIs will be sent automatically from the bank side without and you can see that through the Federal Bank online application.
mm. Just a minute. Hold on.
इस दिन इस दिन का सबसे सुहाना पल कौन सा है, क्या कहता है? आजा घर आजा।
इंडिया बुल्स होम लोन्स, घर आ जाओ।
My intention was not to show this one. Actually, I had in mind some other advertisement, India Bulls housing loan campaign. There, the fellow will be going on shouting nicely and telling about canvassing for this thing, you know. Now, there he will tell, there is no processing charges. There is
Yes.
like that. That video will come out very well. India Bulls housing loan, home. Is this correct? Correct.
किसी तरह के एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं, हिडन चार्जेस नहीं, लोन लेना बहुत आसान, किसी तरह का कोई हिडन चार्जेस, कोई एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के फायदे, प्लॉट पे लोन, होम लोन, प्रॉपर्टी लोन, किसी भी तरह का लोन चाहिए, हमारा स्टॉल लगा हुआ पीछे, भाई साहब संपर्क करें हमारे स्टॉल पे। फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड किसी भी तरह की जानकारी, किसी भी तरह का कोई लोन, प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड होम लोन, लोन अगेंस्ट प्रॉपर्टी, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के फायदे, किसी भी तरह की जानकारी लेनी हो, हमारा स्टॉल लगा पीछे। भैया होम लोन ले लो, होम लोन, लोन अगेंस्ट प्रॉपर्टी, फ्लैट पे लोन, प्लॉट पे लोन, इंडस्ट्रियल लोन, किसी भी तरह का लोन चाहिए, हमारा स्टॉल लगा भाई साहब पीछे, हमारे स्टॉल पे आके संपर्क करें, किसी तरह के हिडन चार्जेस नहीं,
या किसी तरह का
किसी तरह के कोई प्रोसेसिंग फीस, एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं, नॉर्मल लीगल फीस, टेक्निकल फीस, सारे के सारे चार्जेस फ्री। हमारे स्टॉल पे संपर्क करें, जिन भाइयों को लोन की आवश्यकता हो वो पीछे आके संपर्क कर ले, लोन लेना हुआ बहुत आसान। हमारा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8.40, मार्केट का सबसे कम रेट, 8.40 का रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, प्रोसेसिंग फीस चार्जेस बिल्कुल निल, लीगल चार्जेस फ्री, टेक्निकल चार्जेस फ्री, किसी भी तरह का प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के फायदे कुछ भी जानना हो हमारे भाई।
Yeah. So this is no, I don't want you to shout like this at the interviewer, but try to cover those points and tell him about
The
the.
processing fee is not.
Yep, you can tell him that processing fees will be done, and then the technical fees, that is legal verification fee, also will be waived. We'll take care of everything. Please come, and we will process the proposal quickly. Like that, you should tell. Okay. And you can tell him that the loan is repayable in 20 years or 15 years, whatever it is. And you have to pay this much money back per lakh rupees. Like that, you should tell. And try to talk to him nicely to see that he is impressed and he avails housing loan from Federal Bank. Now, there sometimes they ask this question: how will you convince a customer of, say, public sector bank having its branch opposite to you to come to our branch?
Okay. So firstly, sir, I'll apply the pull strategy. the customer who is coming to us, we will try to build a good rapport with him so that he can promote our bank through word of mouth. And our servicing is individualistic, and we treat our customer equally. Every customer will be given a better customer experience, and through our good product service, and we can bring the customer to us.
Very good.
And we
That's
also have flexible working hours as well.
good. Can you please tell me what is the difference between savings bank and current account?
Thus, for savings bank, we have to give interest to the customer on his deposits. There is no fee charged on the services for debit card or the savings bank. On opposite to that, credit card charges a fee, and it's a third party product for the customer that
I am
fee we earn through fee based charges through current credit card.
no, I
And
asked about current account and savings account.
yeah, so for current accounts, it's not personal, it's for businesses purpose. And the transaction done through current account is more than the savings bank account.
No, you can tell still more better than this. Na? If you had gone through the features, you will be able to tell that savings bank is normally opened by individuals and 2 or 3 individuals for saving purposes. The minimum balance prescribed in savings account is less than the minimum balance prescribed in current account.
Current account.
The current account is opened by business people, business firms for their regular
Business.
transactions, and there is no restriction regarding number of withdrawals, whereas in the case of savings account, there are restrictions on number of withdrawals. Exceeding that, service charges will be levied. In the case of savings bank account, bank will pay interest of 3.10% up to rupees 5 lakhs, and above 5 lakhs, the bank will pay 3.15% interest. Whereas in the case of current account, bank doesn't pay any interest on its balances. On the other hand, bank will levy charges for the depending on the number of transactions carried on. And like this much you can say about this. And of course, in the case of savings account, you are given a debit card, whereas in the case of current account, only for proprietary concerns, debit cards are issued. Both of them can avail the facility through internet.
Yes.
That's all. Like this, you can tell. Good. Now, please tell me the features of debit card and credit card.
Okay, sir. So debit card is issued as per the savings bank account or a current account to the customer. It's the debit card is a product of the bank, whereas the credit card is a third party product that is availed by the bank to the customer. They charges a fee for availing the card. The interest is paid to the customer on the base of the deposits. Debit card is through debit card we can use our deposits to pay our day-to-day transaction, and credit card charges a fee or interest that bank provides a credit on that amount. So you can pay now, and you can use the amount and pay later to the bank.
Yeah, only thing is here you have to say a debit card uses the balance already available in the account, whereas a credit card you are given a limit, you are buying certain things, and you have to pay the amount before the due date. And in the absence of our paying before due date, the bank will be charging interest, which is quite high, somewhere around 3.5% per month. And yeah, this is what it is. And both cards have 16-digit number, and they have expiry month and year, name being given on top of it. And there will be say a 3-digit number on the reverse of the cards. What is it called?
The CVV,
What is the expansion of CBV?
card verification value.
Good, very good. So, which bank account do you have?
The Axis Bank.
Who is the MD and CEO of Axis Bank?
So currently, Amitabh Chaudhary is serving as the MD and CEO. And
Correct. Good, good, good. Excellent. What is the name of Axis Bank prior to this name? It was named by some other name. This name has come recently, about 10-15 years back. उसका पहले क्या नाम था उसका?
I'm not
U-
aware of that.
UTI Bank Limited.
Okay, UTI Bank. I've heard of
UTI,
it, but I
yeah,
didn't know they are.
UTI Mutual Fund, UTI Bank. It was UTI Bank, and now it has been named like this. Okay, good. Now you are a marketing person. Please tell me what is mutual fund?
So mutual fund uh, are the offerings based on the different shares of the company. It's a portfolio that's shared among the group of people, and
Hmm.
it is monitored by SEBI. That's Securities and Board Exchange
So please read this.
Stock and Exchange
Please,
Board of India.
please read this.
A mutual fund is a company that pools money from many investors and invests the money in securities such as stock, bonds, and short-term debt.
You have to tell like that. The combined holdings of the mutual fund are known as its portfolio. And when it earns more money, they pay dividend. They pay dividend to the unit holders. And there is one value known as NAV. What is it?
The NAV,
Uh,
net asset value,
correct. So nowadays, how is the share market behaving?
it's above 70,000.
71. Yesterday it was
71.
73,000. Today it has come down
So
heavily.
today, even the stock prices for Federal Bank has dropped significantly.
Acha. Oh,
It reached low of 143.
143. Oh, yeah. Now it is
146.
146. Correct, correct. So today I think the share prices are moving up and down, very much down.
They are going
Even
for
State Bank of India price is coming down 1.63%. Indus Ind Bank 1.42, Bank of India 0.93, IDFC Bank 3.17%, like that. Because the increase that was there for the last few days is exorbitant. From
Yes, sir.
70,000, it went up all along to 73,000. So that is very bad.
Hmm.
Now, please tell me about the Q3 results of our bank.
Okay, so in this quarter, Federal Bank recorded the highest net profit for the first time. It recorded 1,007 crores, and the total business for the bank was 4.4 lakhs crores, which included total deposits of 2.99 crores and 2.39 crores and loans of 1.99 lakh crores.
I think your figures are wrong, not correct. I think so. Let me check it up. Here you see. Please read the figures.
Yes, sir. So the net profit recorded is 1,007 crores, and net operating profit is 1,437 crores.
Hmm.
ROA stood at 1.39% and ROE stood at 14.80%. Gross
Yeah,
non-performing asset and net non-performing assets at 2.29% and 0.64%.
I think
Total deposit.
they are maintaining it same. September
Yes, sir.
also it was there. Yeah, this figure I
Total
think you told wrongly.
So
This
I said,
so-
firstly I said 2.99, but yeah, 2.4 lakh, I remember it now.
Hmm.
1.99 is,
Yeah. Now we will give the next figure, share price of Federal Bank, or we will write it this way: Federal Bank share price as on today's date 17/01/24 is rupees. How much was it? 140?
146. 6.
146. Then market capitalization is how much is given? Market capitalization 355. 355 billion rupees. 355. Correct?
So
I think
it
that
can be also at 35,000 crores.
35.
35500 crores.
355
Zero, zero crores.
That's all. But they are given it as trillion. They are given it as 35.57 trillion crores. That means how to write that? 1 minute.
Trillion.
No. 35.57 trillion means 10 to the power of 12. So billion, when it comes, it will be 355.7 billion.
Okay.
355.57 billion. That's what I used to give in the previous quarter. You see, I would have given the figure in billion only. Correct. Good. Now I think some more figures also I had given there in tangible net worth.
Tangible net worth.
Then share capital. Share capital.
Capital adequacy ratio is 15.02%.
Hope that also not. Yeah. CRAR. Now this time they have not told that, na?
So yes, but I found it in an article last evening.
How much it is?
15.02%.
Okay, good. Then what is the share capital?
Share capitals are not aware of that.
I have given it in my previous, for the last quarter when I gave it, it was there in the figure given by them. I gave it. But now, can we use that, or it would have, no, share capital would not have changed. We can use the same figure. This one, 2022. Here I have not altered. No, I have not written. Not added. It was there in the previous quarter figures I had given. Now this one only will come.
The 484 crores.
Yeah. That's what I wanted to know. Good. Share capital was 484 crore. Correct. Tangible net worth क्या लिखा है? पहले लिखा है जी हम. Last quarter में देखने से मिल जाएगा. Here, second quarter
23.
results. 23,000 crores.
Net worth, sir?
Yeah. Tell me, what is the tangible net worth?
28,080 crores.
Okay. Rupees. Good. These are the things I have given last time that can be repeated now also. Good. Now, they have asked some question. How will you get 30 savings accounts within 1 month? They have asked that question to one candidate. I was having that question previously. Now tell me, you are a marketing person. How are you going to get 30 new accounts for me. You are from which place?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Supposing you are posted in Karnataka,
Okay.
will you join?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How will you try to get us 30 new savings accounts within a period of 1 month?
Okay, sir. So I have to do analysis that for how the customer are behaving, and uh, our existing customers, what are their
No, no,
buying better.
ये सब जरूरत नहीं जी. खाली आप ये ऐसा बोलने से हो जाएगा. I will use all my social website contacts like WhatsApp, then LinkedIn,
Promote.
then Twitter, and try to canvass them. I will also canvass through my friends and relatives. I will also use the existing customers. I will request them to introduce new people, and I will visit the nearby houses and shops for canvassing this and give them pamphlets and invite them to come to bank for opening of the account, or I will help them open the account. I will also tell them nowadays they can open the account through online without their need to come. So like that आप थोड़ा impress करके बोलना है. ठीक है?
Sir,
You are a you
can
are
I
a
also
marketing
mention?
you are a marketing person. So talk from the angle of marketing.
So can I also mention we can establish a kiosk in nearby malls or metro stations?
No, but
So,
here you are asked as an individual, you cannot talk what a bank should do. You cannot tell bank should put an electronic kiosk and all that. That is not your role. You should say what I will do. I will talk nicely to the existing customers who are coming and ask them to introduce new people. And I will help people who are told by them to open bank accounts through online. If they have some problems, I will try to solve them. Like that, you should try to impress. Okay. What you
okay.
saw in Federal Bank website. Acha, acha. Did you visit Federal Bank?
No, sir.
Acha. Why have you not visited?
So there's no nearby branch as of now.
Good. That's a good answer. Very good answer. Now, please tell me in the website, what did you see?
The bank focuses on its digital products and various digital offerings like Yuva Mitra, a bank account for the people aged between 18 to 25. Then there is Celesta as well that offers family accounting. So there are facts and figures about the recent Q3 results. About there are 1,438 total branches all around the country, and number of ATMs are 1,385 with 577 cash recyclers. And
Good, good. How many customers are there?
so 1.66 lakh crores.
1.66 crores, not lakh crores.
Acha, haan, okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's right. How you want to see yourself in the next 5 years?
So I'm definitely looking to make a long-term commitment for Federal Bank. So working hard and passionately, I am aiming to be a mid-senior level official and contributing to the success of the branch.
Who is Uttarakhand Chief Minister?
So Mr. Uddham Singh, Pushkar Singh Dhami.
Who is the Finance Minister of Uttarakhand?
So he is Prem Singh Chaudhary.
How many
I'm not
districts are
sure.
there in Uttarakhand? I also don't know. How many districts are there in Uttarakhand?
So there are 13 districts.
How RBI could control inflation in bank if banks don't get loans from RBI? Because one of the ways for inflation is by raising repo rate so that banks will borrow less from.
That's amount.
Now they say how bank can control inflation if banks don't take loan from RBI, they are flush with funds. How they can reduce the in control inflation?
So the banks.
Yeah. No, not banks. How a Reserve Bank can control inflation in the country if banks are not coming to it for borrowing funds? It is,
So the
but
the
it is,
liquidity in the market will decrease.
no. Question is, banks are not coming to Reserve Bank for raising loan. Then under these circumstances, how Reserve Bank can control inflation? It is by adopting open market operations and by raising CRR, by raising SLR.
SLR.
Yeah, that's what you should tell. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
What is the present inflation rate for the month of December?
So it's 5.69%.
Correct. Good. Tell us about your family.
So I come from a nuclear family. So my father runs a retail shop of garments, and my mother is a homemaker. My sister works as a choreographer in Delhi, and my parents have always been considerate of our wishes and our growth and career.
Good. What is happening in Ayodhya?
So Ram Mandir is finally uh, getting it will be open for the public from 22nd January.
Correct. What is the present CRR?
So 4.5%.
SLR?
So SLR is 18.5%.
18.18 only, 18.59,
Okay.
18%.
Okay.
And when you said CRR, you asked as it 4.5, as if you are asking in doubt. It should not be so.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Otherwise, good. You have been able to answer most of the questions nicely. Wish you best of luck. Any questions you have?
Sir, as I am from marketing, I don't know. After joining your these classes, I've learned most of the banking terms. So, should I remember all of them by heart or?
No, no, but at least you must know the important words like NEFT, RTGS,
Yes, sir.
then core banking solution, CBS, CTS, check truncation. These are
Check
favorite
truncation.
questions. These are favorite questions of them.
Okay.
Okay. Then like,
CRR, SLR.
yeah, what comes before me? Who is the regulatory body of mutual fund?
SEBI, sir.
Good. Who is the regulatory body of insurance?
Uh, IRDI.
Who is the chairman of SEBI?
Um, and not aware of that.
That Mrs.
I've written it.
That madam, SEBI madam, SEBI chairman. Because you forgot, I also forgot. Yeah. Madhabi Puri Buch.
Okay.
Mrs. Madhabi Puri
SEBI.
Buch, who is chairman of IRDAI? Debosish Panda. Debosish Panda. This one you can get in 1 minute. I will give you. I will
So
give you.
actually, my internship was in insurance sales.
Oh,
So IRDI. So I learned about insurance there.
I am giving you this link in our WhatsApp group. You take that and you go to November month and page number 41, 42. You go there and you will be this one. This is what you will see. This is known as Mica magazine. That is monthly magazine. In that monthly magazine, go to November 2023 and in that mm, why it takes so much time? Yeah. window width. You come down to page number 41 or 42. Here you see this one. Here you will see names of people, the posts they are holding. Because you were not able to answer some of the questions relating to personalities, you can see here 50 names. A few changes may be there, but isko mug up kar lo. Are you seeing?
So yes, opening the link.
No, I am showing online. Na?
No,
Online में
not
नहीं
here. Not नहीं आ रहा इसके.
नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छा, अभी देखे this one.
नहीं आ रहा सर. आ गया. Yes sir. Okay.
This is page number 41.
40.
Okay, you please
Okay.
read this. If I give this link, whether it will come for you, I'm not sure. Anyhow, let me give it. Or I will tell Mica magazine.
So आ गया in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I have given it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you sir.
Thank you so much. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you.
Attend
Thank you, sir.
interview and send the questions they are asking.
Okay.
You can post in our group. I will copy from here to our page. Good.
Okay.
But थोड़ा अच्छा से shave करके you
हाँ,
should
sir.
go. You should go as a bright boy.
Yes sir. Yeah, I'll have a haircut and I'll clean sir.
Thank you.
Thank you sir. Bye.
You will succeed. You will succeed. Best wishes.
Thank